Oh, it's wonderful. It's actually wonderful.
That's right, Jackson finally gets to see the car for the very first time since this whole thing has started. Now, when we did start this, I really didn't know how it was going to turn out. And so I kind of wanted to reflect back on where we started with and where we're at now. Oh, okay. Oh, there you go. Now, there were a few last minute things I wanted to get taken care of before he saw the car for the first time and before he ultimately drove it home. First thing was no oil change. And so, draining the oil, I installed the Fumoto quick drain valve, as that's going to make for a very clean and easy oil change process in the future. Throw on an OEM filter, and then our favorite oil, Motul X-Clean 5W30. And then something I'm excited about because I've been wanting to get my hands on it for a while is the Braille ultra lightweight 11.5 pound battery. I love how clean and how lightweight it is. And coming in at almost 1,000 cranking amps, this should have more than enough power to start this thing under any condition. And then with that out of the way, it's finally time to bring Jackson in and let him see the car for the very first time.
Oh my, I love the color. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This, oh my gosh, this is. I feel like I finally feel like this is my car. Uh-huh. Rev it up! This is absolutely phenomenal.
Needless to say, I think he was pretty excited about it. Now, obviously, I've said from the beginning, we've wanted to do more on this car, but due to, well, everything going on in the world, some things just weren't able to be installed. But now looking back, I actually think this is a good thing. It gives Jackson a chance to drive the car, really get a feel for it, find out what he likes and what he doesn't like, and if he wants something changed or wants something different, because that's the thing about modifying cars, especially for someone new to the scene like Jackson. This gives him that opportunity to give us some feedback. We can make some changes, we can keep modifying it. So I don't think this is the last you're going to see of this car. Maybe he'll like it, he just wants to be done with it, and that's fine. But if he wants to bring it back, we would be more than happy to throw some more parts at it. So if you guys like this build series, you want to see more like this, well, make sure to like, comment, of course, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Looking to finish your build or start a new one? Well, this holiday season, we're giving away a $2,500 RallySport Direct gift card towards your dream build. How do you enter? Well, simply follow along with our Hawkeye build series and click the link down below for an official entry. We're gonna be announcing the winner on December 11th of 2020. Now, there's no purchase necessary. Anyone can enter, but you do have to be 18 years or older and a US resident to win. Good luck.